In this video, we'll be reviewing the new 2024 Land Rover Defender.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. The 2024 Land Rover Defender 130 Outbound is an extended 5-seater. The Defender family develops with the new Outbound trim level and more extensive accessibility of the supercharged V8. The 2024 Land Rover Defender 130 Outbound gets the setup together with a beginning cost of $85,975. In spite of its long wheelbase, the Outbound just seats 5 and replaces the rearmost side glass with boards. The ordinary 2024 Defender 130 adds an accessible 493 horsepower supercharged V8, which likewise shows up as the Safeguard 110P 500. Land Rover, or would it be advisable for us we say the late rebranded JLR, is working diligently making the Safeguard SUV appeal to whatever number individuals as could be allowed. Alongside offering 4-, 6-, and 8-chamber powertrains, the extravagant 4x4 Junkie is additionally accessible with 2N4 entryway body styles, including long, 110, and longer, 130, wheelbases. Presently the 2024 Land Rover Defender family gets much greater with the presentation of the 130 Outbound trim level as well as the extended accessibility of V8 power. The thing about the Safeguard 130 is that it's so lengthy, around 16.5 feet generally, to account for a third line of seats and equivalent freight limit. Indeed, the recently added Outbound variation just offers 2 columns with seating for 5 rather than the standard 3 for 8. The missing third column implies there's currently almost 50 crawls of open floor space behind the subsequent line. That open region means 47 cubic feet and extends to 89 shapes with the rearward sitting arrangement stashed. An elastic floor mat that can be collapsed over the back guard for added scratch insurance, additional cubbies and lock focuses, and, hang tight for it, another freight net are all essential for the Outbound experience. The Safeguard 130 Outbound in these photographs seems to be something a Bond reprobate would take overlanding. Notwithstanding, under its back side-mounted embellishments is a variety-matched board that replaces the windows. An interesting touch isolates the Outbound from other 130 models. Paint tones are restricted to Carpathian Dim, Fuji White, Eiger Dim, and Santorini Dark. Land Meanderer likewise offers the last two with a defensive glossy silk film for the royal amount of $5,500. A bunch of dark 20-inch wheels mounted on Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack off-road tires are standard on the Safeguard 130 Outbound. The entire season elastic is accessible for no additional expense, and bigger 22-inch rollers are discretionary as well, yet they cost $2,400 and just accompany all seasons. Each Outbound is controlled via Land Wanderer's 395 horsepower 3.0-liter straight 6, which includes an electric supercharger and a 48-volt half-and-half framework. The beginning cost for the new Outbound trim is $85,975. For 2024, more Land Rover Defender can be furnished with a V8. That is on the grounds that 130 models are currently accessible with the supercharged 5.0-liter, which siphons out 493 drive and 450 pound-feet of force. The motor redesign expects clients to pick either dim or dark paint tones, yet it brings selective quad exhaust tips as well. Obviously, it likewise accompanies a powerful cost climb, as the V8 variant of the 130 beginnings at $118,075. For Defender fans who incline toward the more limited 110 model, it additionally adds the new 493 horsepower V8 choice, which joins the beforehand accessible 518 horsepower V8. Yet, We're more intrigued by the new area appearance pack that can be had on 2024 Defender 110s. For just $600, clients can add retro designs as well as differentiating colors on the rooftop and rear end that are propelled by the first Safeguard Province models. We're particularly stricken when the area pack is matched with the gleam white steel wheels. I'm glad that you now fully understand this vehicle. Would you kindly do me the favor of subscribing to this channel and pressing the notification bell button so that you are notified as soon as we upload another video like this? Thank you.